Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut concrete slab using a reciprocating saw. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, in order to do that, you have to buy, or you should have like a specialized blade. That's very important. That is meant to cut bricks concrete. You see the one that I have, it's made of carbide, bricks and concrete. And then the next thing you have to do is to proper secure. Don't put on like footwear like this or something and do, not at all. Like I'm just gonna show you that initial method, not full, but like your concrete slab that you are cutting should be secured, because if it falls on you or someone near you, it's gonna be disastrous. So definitely this is like my small workshop. This is not where you're gonna do, but put it on ground or somewhere in a way that there is no chance of an accident. It's very important to put protective glasses, because when it runs it generates a lot of particles, so that you don't want to get into your eyes. Okay, and once you have all this, what you can do, like you can create a mark and okay, so I just ran it for a few seconds. You see the mark has been made. So you need to do it in a way now. This depends upon the size of concrete block too. Okay, this is thin, that's why I had to move up and down, and it also depends upon the speed and the quality of the blade. Okay, the better quality blade you have, better results it will appear. But you see like a cut has been made already, and if I continue doing this, this is gonna cut it. Okay, but again, I'm not gonna do that now in this video. But yeah, I just showed you how you can do it and what safety measures you need. So first of all, protect your eyes, and the slab needs to be at a safe place. You need a specialized blade, and then that's it for now guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.